Been done a year and a half.
Up here at Chester Latham's house.
So
You can feel it walking up that hill, huh?
I give out. My leg gives out.
Tell you what, I don't know about this guy I'm with, Chester. He was just saying, says, I'm getting awful tired. And then he said he had a flat tire. I'm wondering whether he really had a flat or not.
He's thinking he took a rest.
That's why I was getting tired, because it was flat.
I don't know.
Well,
He might be faking it.
this first time you've been down through here?
No, I've been down through it before. I don't know about him. He might have been this way on his motorcycle before.
Gosh, I've seen highs 50 and 60 bikes come down through here at one time.
Yeah, it's a good.
Most of them's about 20 or 30.
Yeah,
They're from old UT.
yeah. They ain't old guys like us.
I tell you what, it's good for you to ride them. It does me.
How many of these bikes you got left? Oh, you got a mess of them, ain't you?
I've got 6 down in the basement.
Oh yeah.
What do you know out here?
Look at that. We're gonna crank that compressor up. Now you're talking. I'm hoping it'll go on there, Mark. Will it? There you go.
I didn't know they made a valve that big.
Yeah, they're tiny. It's a quick release valve. I just need to put a little tiny bit of air. Yeah, that's all you need there.
Go ahead and put your tube on, Mark. Yeah. And then you can slip it in easier.
He might be all right to put it in at the compressor.
What? Yeah, probably so. I usually put it halfway on and then slip it in there. Everybody does it different. Yeah, it's just hard when you're doing it that way. I put the tire on first. Howdy.
That's not down in there, down at the bottom.
Everybody's having trouble.
A little bit of trouble.